In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page background color in WPS Office. Adjusting the page background color is a simple way to enhance the visual appearance of your document, whether you are preparing a presentation, designing a worksheet, or just making long documents easier on the eyes. Using the desktop version of WPS Office, this process is quick and gives you several color options to choose from. To get started, make sure your document is already open in the WPS Office desktop app. Once the document is visible on your screen, direct your attention to the top menu area. Here, you will find different tabs that control layout and design settings. Click on the Page Layout tab to access options related to how your page looks. After opening the Page Layout tab, look for the Page Color option. This feature allows you to change the background color of the entire page without affecting the text or formatting. Click on Page Color and a color panel will appear, showing multiple choices that you can apply instantly. From this panel, you can select from theme colors that match the overall design of your document. These colors are often coordinated with text and headings, making them a good choice for professional or consistent layouts. You can also choose from standard colors if you want something simple and familiar, such as light gray, soft blue, or other basic shades. If you want a more creative look, you can explore additional color options, including gradient-style colors. These allow you to apply more visual depth to your page background, which can be useful for creative documents or presentations. As you click on each color, the page background updates immediately, letting you preview how it looks with your content. Take a moment to review your document after selecting a background color. Make sure the text remains easy to read and that the color does not distract from the content. Lighter background colors usually work best for documents with a lot of text, while slightly darker or themed colors can be useful for shorter or visual-focused documents. If you are not satisfied with your first choice, you can simply open the Page Color menu again and select a different option. You can change the background color as many times as you like until you find the one that fits your document perfectly. This feature does not permanently lock your design, so feel free to experiment. Once you are happy with the background color, you can continue editing, formatting, or saving your document as usual. The page background color will remain applied unless you change it again later. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.